Hey guys, this is Sasnur Alam and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how do I edit my photos in Lightroom. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get into the Lightroom. I already imported that photo what I want to edit. This is not a raw image so that I can't play with the white balance as well. I'm decreasing the temperature value -2 and increasing the tint +2. Okay, now I'm gonna adjust the tone of the image. It's very important to adjusting the tone. I'm keeping the exposure at 0 and contrast -23 looks good. Then highlights. It's necessary to changing the highlights. Let's keep it at -95, 94, it's okay. Then I'm gonna increase the shadows. +63 looks good. Now it's time to change the white and black value. Press the Alt key on your keyboard and keep increasing the white before getting any noise. Okay, +33 looks good. Now it's turned to black. Again, press the Alt key and keep decreasing the black before getting any noise on your image. -15 looks good. Now I want to change something from the presence. It's very important. I'm keeping the clarity and dehaze at 0 and I want to increase the vibrance a little bit. +10 looks good. Now saturation. Let's play with the tone curve. I'm changing the tone curve using region panel. I'm decreasing the highlights a little bit. -10 looks good. And lights, I'm increasing lights +3 and keeping the dark 0 and shadows -14. You can compare the before and after using backslash. Click on backslash and again click on backslash, before and after. Okay, now we are going to play with the color panel. I always use HSL mode because I think it's easy to understand for me. Then click to all. Now I want to change the hue of yellow, green, aqua and blue. Yellow increasing +14 looks good, and green +14, aqua +18 and blue +8. Now it's turn to changing the saturation. If I decrease the saturation of orange, let's see. It changes skin tone. Now increase the yellow, then increase the saturation of green. It will change the color of the trees. I'm changing the aqua +14, blue +35, and purple +22. Now it's time to change the luminance, because luminance is your brightness. If you increase the luminance of orange, your screen will be more brighter. I want to increase the orange +14, decrease yellow, green, aqua, blue, purple. That will decrease your background colors. Yellow -8, green -8, and aqua -22 looks good, and blue -16, purple -8 looks good. This is the before and this is the after. Okay, then split toning. Now I want to play with the highlights. At first I want to change the value of highlights. I'm gonna increasing the hue 225 and saturation 7. Then shadows 1/6 and saturation 7. vignette minus 10 looks good. Then make some changes in calibration. First, red. I'm gonna keep the red hue at 0 and saturation minus 10. And then green, I'm gonna keep the hue of green is 0 and saturation plus 70 on. It's time to change the blue. Changing the hue of blue minus 8 and saturation plus 54 looks good. See, it much more different from the before. This is the before and this is the after. Face is not looking very good. I want to use radial filter on the face and make a circle, then increase the exposure. Plus 20 looks good, and I want to decrease saturation. Minus 15 looks good. Now you can see the before and after. This is the before and this is the after. How much different. See, finally, this is the before and this is the after. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any queries or have any opinion, please comment down. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.